Welcome. My name is Teacher Mpamire on the street. We are on the street asking people about Christmas. What is Christmas? Why do we celebrate Christmas? What is the meaning of Merry on Merry Christmas? Let's find out. Are you ready for Christmas?
I'm all ready.
Yes, why do we celebrate Christmas?
My friend, I'm so good.
Hey, you try. Why do we celebrate Christmas? Who was born on Christmas?
Jesus.
Why? Who is Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas. On my belief, what I know is that Merry Christmas, at times we remember what Jesus passed through, and we celebrate with we celebrate our day. That's what I know on my side.
We normally say Merry Christmas. What is the meaning of Merry?
Merry Christmas, because Joseph, the one who married the other Mary. That's Christmas. Yes.
Okay. So what is the meaning of Merry on Merry Christmas?
Merry means happy. Yes.
Why?
Because that day, everyone can be happy on that day. Yes.
So that is the meaning of Merry. Okay. When you hear the word Merry Christmas, what is the meaning of the word Mary?
Mary is in two people. Mary is the mother of Jesus, and Christ, son of Jesus.
Pardon?
Mary is the mother of Jesus, and Christ is son of Jesus. And I'm born again.
So when you hear the word Merry Christmas, what is the meaning of Mary?
Mother of Jesus. Mary, mother of Jesus, who was the mother of Jesus Christ.
Can you sing us any one Christmas song that you know?
Yes.
Okay.
We are share Christmas. We are share Christmas. We are share Christmas. We are.
Thank you so much. We normally say Merry Christmas. What is the meaning of that word Mary?
Mary is the Virgin Mother who produced Jesus.
The Virgin Mother. But the mother was a virgin. How did she produce Jesus?
Through the Holy Spirit.
How?
Because he was the virgin, he couldn't produce. He sent his angels through God.
Why do we celebrate Christmas?
We celebrate to going to joy. We celebrate to eating.
When you hear the word Merry Christmas, what does Merry mean?
Merry means Christmas. Mary means the day when Jesus, and is the mother of God. Yeah, that's what I can tell you right now. Mary is Christmas.
So how old is Jesus?
600 AD. Then I don't know. After they say, I don't know.
Name at least any 3 gifts that the wise men gave Jesus on his birthday.
They brought golden. Golden. Yes.
Okay.
Feathers. Feathers. They brought nappies. Nappies.
What are nappies?
These are they put on children to not urinate.
Not what?
To urinate.
They are called what?
Nappy.
Mary's boy child, Jesus Christ, was born on Christmas Day.
So do you remember the wise men? The 3 wise men?
The other Pirato. Pirato, Judas Iscariot.
Those are the 3 wise men.
I don't know the 3rd one, man. I don't know that one.
Why do we celebrate Christmas?
This Christmas I get a new cycle. Yes. That's why I'm celebrating them.
Okay. How old is Jesus?
I think now Jesus is 90 years because I grown up seeing Jesus as I hope Jesus is almost 90 years.
90 years?
Yeah, 90 years.
Are you sure 90 years?
Yes, because I grown up when I was seeing Jesus.
Where? From where?
Jesus is just on us and heaven because we are all know is our Savior.
Song You know that? I don't know.
When you hear the word Merry Christmas, what is the meaning of Merry?
The word Mary, I think it means the mother of Jesus Christ.
Okay.
That's my opinion, but I don't know how the others they know it.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jesus.
Hey.
Happy birthday to you.
Yeah, so why do you celebrate Christmas?
I celebrate Christmas because my friends, they are dead. Me, I'm alive. That's why I'm celebrating the Christmas.
Wow.
Yes.
Yeah. So why do we say Merry Christmas?
We say Merry Christmas because Jesus, Mary gave birth to Jesus Christ.
So it becomes
Merry Christmas.
Oh, can you sing any Christmas song? Any Christmas song?
Yes.
Yeah.
Again, I tell you.
Yes.
Mary's child born, Jesus Christ was born Christmas Day.
And that marks the end of our show. Thank you so much for watching Teacher Mpamire on the street. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
What again next time? This one is the festival stone, Christmas. You are ready for Christmas.
Hey.
Joy to the one that Lord is come. Let us repeat a song. Let us repeat a song. Repeat the sound in joy. Repeat the sound in joy. Repeat the sound in joy. Oh, me the one. Hey, this guy, man.